Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing an issue that Vodafone no internet connection, the red light error, then this video is for you. If you found this type of problem, then you can go to the vodafone.com.uk/ this help and information, then go to broadband supports and the no internet too, where you can find they are inquiring about what situation you are going through, and they can give you the solution on the best of your situation, your current situation. Now here is you can see that there's step like first thing they are asking that have you tested your broadband. So if you test your broadband, then you can simply click on test my broadband service, or I have already tested my broadband. So I'm going to click on this. So I have already tested my broadband. Now check for broadband outage in your area. If there's an outage in your area, this could be affecting your broadband service. Our team will work to fix any outage as quickly as possible. Most are fixed the same day. You use our network status checker to find out if there's an outage in your area. So if it's in your area, the outage internet shortage of your area, then this is a technical issue that could be only solved by their team, their fixer team. So you have to wait until they fix this issue. Now, which router looks most like yours? So which router looks most like yours? So you have to choose your router like Vodafone Wi-Fi hub, Ultra hub, Vodafone Broadband router, or not a Vodafone router, a power hub. So you can choose any of them. If you don't have any Vodafone router, then you can choose this one, not a Vodafone router. So I'm going with this Vodafone Broadband router. Now from here, swipe your hand over the top of the broadband router to reveal this light. So what does your power light look like? So it is look like the red light. So red light error, if you find the red light error, then you have to simply click on red light. So here is the solution for you. Check that your wires are connected. Make sure the DSL cable is plugged into the DSL port of your hub. Check that the other end of the DSL cable is plugged into the phone socket in the wall. Then if your phone socket only has one port, you need to use a micro filter for all phone sockets being used your home. Plug your internet cable into the microfilter, then plug the microfilter into the wall. Wait for 1 minute to see if the connect to the internet. So if you just need to wait. You have to unplug all of this and replug it, and you can see if this problem solved or not. If this problem persists, then you can simply click on the still can connect, or if it's worked, then you can simply click on it worked and you are good to go. Now I'm going to give you more further solution like still can't connect. So here is reboot your router. The last option is you have to reboot your router. For that, you have to turn off your router at the mains, wait 10 seconds before turning it back on. So you have to simply click on this power on or off button here, then it will power off, and you have to wait 10 seconds before turning it back on. Then if it's worked, then you can simply click on it worked, or if it's not worked, then simply click on still can't connect. Now here is another solution that check your internet light. Your router seems to be turned on with all wires connected. We need to check your internet status using the light on your router. So if it's all green, flashing green, then you can select it, and if it's flashing red light beside the green light, and if it's steady green light, then you can select it. So select based on your current situation. So I'm going to get on this red light. Now choose the phone socket your router is using. So which type of phone socket you are currently using, like single socket, two socket, or non-removable socket. So I'm going to simply click on it. Now here is check the other devices using your phone line. Keep your router plugged in and unplug all the devices from your phone sockets. Turn your router off using the power button at the back. Then wait 10 seconds before turning it on back again. Wait for 1 minute to see if you're connected to the internet. If you're now connected, one of these devices you plugged or socket, if it was causing the issue. So if it worked, then you can simply click on work, or I'm going to then still not work here. Now here is another option like change your microfilter. Then how to swipe your microfilter. Here is the instruction that how you can swipe your microfilter. So if it's still not working yet, then you can chat to them with online. So here you can find the phone number where you can just connect with them, or you can chat with them directly live through the live chat. So our representative will help you in this situation. Or if it's a technical issue with your router or connection in your home, then a representative will come to your home to fix this issue. So this is the most interesting features of Vodafone that can help you directly with your current situation. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.